That's my handsome cousin in the background over there. Ariana, say hi. Happy Saturday. Happy glorious Saturday.
Hello.
Look at my handsome cousin now. We're going to do a little a different kind of cook. Watch all the dimples, guy. Say hello. You have a little fan base, you know. All they want KFC, all they want to cook. So we're gonna do a small little cook in the back by Mama. Watch. Woman power, watch. And a big man stand up here.
She was not accustomed doing that. I would help out.
Well, she had to learn the hard way. Yeah, I say so. Hi, Fins. We have Mama on the inside. Big up yourself. He could take out his mask, you know. He around family. Right. Alright, we have nephew and auntie. What is it? And check the little. Hey, we improvising today. We have a little small, what is it called, Amma? Ring stove. Let me show you what we're drinking today. And we have homemade rum punch by that guy over there in a pristine bottle. Like I feel we should tell them what really happened just now.
Guys, they set me up, right? They changed the cover. They changed this cover, right? They put the masala with the duck and
the duck curry cover went on the masala bottle.
The averaging went wrong.
And this is the mixture right now. So
it's still we see
the chew. So we're really not sure how the chicken gonna come out, but
it's going to come out real good.
Real good.
We're hoping for the best. Maybe we might come up with a very new recipe.
Maybe.
Right? Masala chicken.
Hopefully it's all about the chef.
Good luck.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
And we now start. And they're gonna cook in this for half an hour. So it's gonna marinate.
Yeah, so this is gonna be real black. Anyways, this is the color right now. He knows.
Some people don't even get this look when they finish.
That's the look we want when the chicken done.
Exactly. Imagine we start the show.
Let me see your pot now. Let me see what color it's looking.
Hold on, I need a spoon too to show you.
Not bad, Vic.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all. It's looking like it matter.
Very good. I tell you, you might be on to something new.
Yes.
So good luck. We'll see. We'll do the official
no
taste
river,
test.
we bring river to us.
You know, as I say that, like, today's Easter Saturday, right? Easter Saturday?
What do you call it?
Gloria Saturday.
Gloria Saturday.
And everybody, like, you know, the thing is, everybody want to go on the beach and whatnot. We would like to go to the beach too. We actually wanted to go, but with the whole COVID thing, we decided to play it safe.
Right,
You
true.
know, have a little lime
Bring it
home,
to home.
small lime. Look at the background here. We buy Mama. Look. Guys, say hi! I was telling everybody, you know, Easter weekend is master everybody going beach. Well, unfortunately, the river's closed, but they go in rivers too. And yeah, I wouldn't lie, we wanted to go to the beach, but we're trying to adhere to the rules. We're trying to play it safe. So we decided to do a little smaller lime. Let me see if the crowd are a little more vibesy. Oops. Yeah. They're a little more vibesy. Yeah, it's not that we're trying to set an example. I just don't want the country to go back being on lockdown.
Yeah, put your hand there and your blood pressure.
Say what?
Social distancing. The truth is, patting your finger.
Yeah, because of she. We came here because of our grandmother.
Aww.
Stop lying and tell them.
Hey, he like a real kiss. Mama, we came here. We know that your favorite grandchild. Say, say so. Say that louder.
All favorite.
Okay, good. You hear that? No. You in New York? You ain't going nowhere yet.
Yeah.
Nah, he's safe. Don't worry. Vic, what's the update on the chicken? How it tasting? I hear good things about your chicken, even though it was a mistake.
Just need some salt.
Remember, this is just cut.
It's the unexpected is turned out to be the best.
For real. Alright, so, well, all you can see is nighttime now. So we need a little salt.
Salt and pepper.
Alright, so let me show you what the chicken looks like. I think it came out really, really good. This is the color. What do you think?
It tastes real nice.
For the mistake that we made. Good job, Vic.
Rebo.
Next in line we have the duck chef. But he actually got
You know, they bring up the backyard chef of
sorry.
Of Kunupia to make a cookie.
Is it G, right? The chicken. She fast. Look at man here and they have to come all the time. It is eating time. Look at the plates. Guys, we trying to improvise.
Chicken look nice, eh?
Look real good. Alright, let's see. You gonna have your food?
Mm-hmm.
You eating light tonight?
Right. That's what we liver.
Ew. Liver is something that I don't like. I think I spotted it. Spot the liver, guys. That's not it?
Wait.
Are you all seeing me? Guys, so that was it for today's video. I know it was short, but it was sweet. We had a wonderful time. It was good quality time, well spent. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I did.
Ariana, did you have a good time, honey? Yeah, we tried to stay safe today. So we're gonna close off the video now. So before I go, again, I want to say, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure and hit that notification bell icon.
Tell them like the video.
She's shy. Make sure, guys, and hit that notification bell icon so you'll be notified every single time your girl posts a video. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Stay safe. Have a wonderful and blessed weekend. Okay, guys, before I close off my video, I realized I had some shout outs to do and I forgot to do it, so I'm going to insert this clip here now. I have some birthday greetings as well, so I just want to get it done before it's too late. So let us get crack-a-lackin' with my shoutouts. I have my notes here. Let's begin. I would like to say a special hi going out to Navin Voodoo from Pinal, also to Visak and Varun Voodoo, to Priya, Kivani, Narissa and Arti Budram from Pinal, a big Pinal posse boy. Also special hi going out to Nadia Gangaram. Also early birthday greetings going out to Shania Baksh from the Sings family. Shania's birthday is on the 15th of April. Happy early birthday greetings going out to you, honey, and many, many, many more to come. Special hi going out to Jenny Raquel Rahman, Sally Banga. Oh my god, Sally, your birthday was on the 28th of March. I am late, but I always say better late than never, right? Happy belated birthday going out to you, honey. I hope you had a wonderful day. All the best wishes to you, and I hope you see many, many, many more birthdays to come. Also special hi going out to Dave and Alicia, to Natasha Deorup from New York. Special hi going out to Dylan, Nadia Mangal, Nasima from Canada, Ashley Hussein. Ashley, I believe you're the one who bought the soaps from me just the other day. Thank you so much for the sale. I hope the soaps are working good for you. I know I was supposed to give you my shout out last time and I forgot. Special hi going out to you, okay? Also to Kaylee Ann Rupchan, Crystal Ramnarayan. Crystal, your birthday is on the 21st of April, so happy early birthday going out to you, love. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope you see many, many, many more birthdays to come. Also, yesterday was Roshni's birthday special. Hi going out to you, Roshni. Happy belated birthday to you, and this is coming from your daughter Hannah and also from me. I hope you had a wonderful day yesterday, and I hope you see many, many more birthdays to come. So that's it for my shout outs, guys. Before I go, I just want to let you all know I am just a couple hundred away from 10,000 subscribers. That is really exciting news to me. I mean, I never thought that I would have accomplished that much. It's probably not a lot for you guys, but it is something for me. And I just want to say thank you so very, very much for all the love and support that I have been getting from you guys. So far, I always thank you all, but I really, really do want to say thank you so much. Please help me get to 10K. And I will be doing something nice. I will be doing a giveaway. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you all so very much for tuning in. Thank you all so very much for subscribing. I hope you all are enjoying the videos that I put out. And I also want to mention, based on the analytics, guys, a lot of you are looking at the videos but you all are not subscribed. This is why I kind of like urge you to subscribe. It helps to grow the channel, so please just subscribe to my channel. I will really, really, really appreciate it. But thank you all so much. And don't forget to also hit that notification bell icon so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. Again, guys, thank you all for all the love and support. I really appreciate it. Stay safe, have a wonderful week ahead, wear your mask, sanitize your hands, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.